May ikan ni katupya. Paibong peg. Tong mamaya manu ba ay mayame yang badi Christmas. Hatu simi ang gumno. Menyetok mamaya bi maya. Sisa. Ban tere maya me. Maya li cukup angel sya.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Kuanrat ke Sangma hak khat paratarik uyayong arja rapun riau ulapan ku Burom ki Khynnah Skul ki Rung hak top 20 hak Eksamin Secondary School Living Certificate arja rapun riau narilum Garo hak jing alang kebalong hak yingsa jong hatura kani jing put ku Burom kalong kum jing itu yusok jing tristam jing job ki Khynnah Skul hak Eksamin Sslc kebalong mtaus nem hak ni jing alang lasakilang di Commissioner on Secretary Katanat Puli Putih Ubijay Kumar Menteri bat kiwei
Thank you.
It's okay? Just wait for 2 minutes.
But most of the times you see that the qualified teachers, qualified candidates are not available from Garo. And we were recruiting recently assistant lecturers. When we were recruiting, we could see that for some subjects we were not getting candidates. And for even in the SSA, Samagra Shiksha, our headquarters, out of 40 officers, there are only 2 officers from Garo. In our own education department, out of about 30, there are only 4. So
For me, when I had a word with Commissioner Secretary and the Education Minister about today's program, they were telling me that they will organize it in the auditorium or some other location. But I was very particular that even though there is not enough space and the overall facilities may not be up to the mark, but I would like to welcome the students to my home. And the idea was to really make this a special moment, to welcome you and to felicitate you on this very, very important and momentous occasion. As you can see that apart from the fact that you are in my house, in my home, which makes it special, even the lightning and the thunder and the rain has made it even more special. So today is a celebration is from above also. So there is so much of cheering and clapping and thunderous applause for all of you, even from above. So it's a great blessing for all of us. And once again, I just want to congratulate all of you. It's not really something very big, but I have always believed that small things matter in life. And though this may not be a very big program, it's a small program, but a special program, and a program meant to celebrate your success. If you have noticed, this program and the program we had in Shillong has multiple angles to it. Because today in this celebration, we have the toppers of the SSLC exam, and also we have our young brothers and sisters, our young students who have faced many challenges in life, did not have the kind of opportunities that maybe the rest of us have had. And yet through those struggles, they did not give up. And sometimes it will be one of the most confusing moments in your life. In whatever little experience I have had in my life, I can tell you, always follow your heart. Always follow your passion. Difficult things will come, but if you do the things that others will tell you to do, or if you do things that may look right at that moment because it logically looks right, but it doesn't feel right, the problem is, in the days to come, as things get more difficult, somewhere along the line you will start questioning your decision. But if you follow your heart, if you follow your passion, and if you do what you believe and think is right for you, trust me, you will never give up in your life. And that is really where the tipping point happens. And that's why I believe, and I wish, and I share with all of you, follow your heart and follow your passion. Do what you feel is correct. That is the only way that you will be able to succeed and be happy with your life as you move along. Nurturing the mind. It's about supporting the children when they need the support. And I think that is what you have been successfully in. While education, course material, all of this is important, we must look at shaping the children in the right direction. Because shaping them in the right direction is shaping the state and the country's future in the right direction. I congratulate you, congratulate the parents, congratulate all the officials who are here. And once again, I thank all of you for making your time. I know it's been raining a lot, and let me assure you that as we come closer towards the end of the program, the rain also will stop raining. I've always experienced this. It always happens to me, or at least I've noticed. Whenever I'm there, always a lot of noise will happen. Then suddenly when the main program is over, suddenly everything is fine. So that is how challenges happen in life. I think what is important for us is to be able to accept those challenges, work towards it, never give up, always be positive in life. And last but not the least, this I tell everybody in life, whether it's officers, whether it's parents, whether it's principals, or whether it's students. Remember, nothing will matter, no success will matter in life if at the end of the day, you cannot be a good human being. Please remember, you have to remember to always be humble in life. Be grounded in life. Never forget your roots. If you forget all of that, and even if you're the topper and become the most arrogant person in life, then I'm sorry to tell you, you will not have a great life, you will not be able to succeed in life. Because without humility, without fear of God, without respect for elders, there is no quality in your life. With these few words, once again, I thank all of you. I wish all the students the very best for your future. I wish all the principals of the schools the very best for your future. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. God bless you good, Bathela and Jai Hind.
My name is Churchill Letanten, and I've secured the 20th position in the Sslc examination for 2025 board exam in Meghalaya. And I'm feeling very privileged and honored to be in such a great place, which is our beloved CM Corner's residence. And to earn this position, you have to work hard. Everyone has worked hard who have all here, like the top 20 position. And I would like to say that everyone has done their hard work. Yeah, for me, I have not done that much because I got a 20th position and I'm not in the top 10. And for my goal, I want to be a civil engineer, and for that, I'm applying for NERIS, Arunachal Pradesh, and I have to give my entrance exam in Guwahati at 26 April. And I also working hard for that. That doesn't mean that I've secured that 20 position for me. My admission is direct in the NERIS, and I'm very happy to be here, as it's not a regular moment for me. Like, it is a very big privilege for me to be here, as I've worked hard here and I find this security.
So what is your message to the other student?
So for our students, it's not like you have to study like every single day. You can take days off, and you can just avoid using social media that much, as it spoils you. And I would like to say that just do your thing and follow your routine. You do not need to follow someone else's routine. You can go for your own. I want to be a civil engineer, and for that, I'm applying for NERIS, Arunachal Pradesh, and I have to give my entrance exam in Guwahati at 26 April. And I'm also working hard for that. That doesn't mean that I've secured that 20 position for me. My admission is direct in the NERIS, and I'm very happy to be here, as it's not a regular moment for me. Like, it is a very big privilege for me to be here, as I've worked hard here and I find this security. So for our students, it's not like you have to study like every single day. You can take days off, and you can just avoid using social media that much, as it spoils you. And I would like to say that just do your thing and follow your routine. You do not need to follow someone else's routine. You can go for your own.
Hi everyone, my name is ADLR Sama. I'm from Skul Tura, and I secured the 19th position in this year's SSLC board examination. Today I feel grateful because for our honorable CM for inviting us to his house, for giving us this opportunity. I want to thank God also, for giving me this opportunity.
Ani bingung ko dia lah sama mana orang asal school ni dia SSLC board examination 19 position ko kami kemana ya salo semi ko mata ko mana name kacani mana aro ya name ko mate plus ka so ya opportunity ko na aro
Bigyan na ni tao mukhang si exam sena mingkwas student ang nanamay ko akan ka.
Ani akan ide isu dulu aku namai perabu, apa nukta aru apa ini songthang na dang teklo nani ko tak namai nak nangin aru apa anteni perabu namai kisknangin perabu.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Kumar. I study in MB Rosebud Higher Secondary School, and I've secured the second position in the MBOS SLC examination. And today, I feel greatly honored and extremely happy to be recognized by our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sanma. It is a very great feeling for me. It is a surreal feeling, and this recognition will motivate me to aim higher in the future and work even harder to make my family, my teachers, and my state proud. So to all the students who will be giving examinations in the future, I would just like to say that success does not come overnight. It requires hard work, consistency, and discipline. Keep working hard and you will definitely achieve success one day.
So what are your goals from now?
So I've decided to choose a science stream for my higher secondary, and I'll be pursuing the engineering field. So that is my aim for now.
So, how do you feel being here in the CM's house, being invited and getting this recognition?
It is a very great honor for me. I feel very grateful and extremely honored that I've been given this opportunity, and it is a great feeling overall.
Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Pragati Gupta. I have passed out from Police Public School. I have secured 18 positions in the Sslc examination. I feel very much grateful that I have secured this position. It's only because of my respected teachers. It's my hard work and the unwavering belief of my parents. I'm very much grateful that I have been called here in CM's residence. I'm feeling very much lucky that I have been called here. I will meet sir. I just want to say that they have to study like for 4 to 6 hours means with full focus and consistency. It is not like that they have to study for 15 to 16 hours. It's just like people say like that. But if they study for like 2 to 4 hours also, that is just enough. But with full focus and consistency, they just have to believe in themselves. That is.
So, what are your goals?
I just want to pursue in science. I want to become a doctor, cardiologist.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey, up, Ruko. Schwaba finchet da kajo shi kajo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up schwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry Pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kane ka umpnyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ekasnong nongi kwayo sngo bahan ekasnong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hinasnong ki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki bai yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kano ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni hakajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, kashulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnot ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung project. Day ban shoot ho bakla. Habang warra yaki investment. Habang warra yaki bakum kini project. Net yang nga opi kabakado ka jimantoy. Kanlong yangi ki konsama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.